Step 1. In the Edit tab, drag your clip into the timeline and cut the part you want to track. Step 2. Select the clip and click on the Fusion tab. Step 3. In the Fusion page, click anywhere and press the Shift plus space. Type on Tracker. In the inspector, click on T-Set and select the object you want to track. Now hit the Track Forward button. It'll automatically follow the motion. Step 6. Next, press a Shift plus space again and add a Text plus node. Write your text, choose the font, color, and size. Step 7. Now, link the Text plus position to the tracker's position. Go to the Text plus node. Layout tab, right-click on Center. Choose I Connect to Tracker Own Path. Boom! The text now follows your subject. Want it to look more cinematic? Add motion blur, select the tracker node, and turn on in-motion blur in the settings. That's it. All done inside Fusion. Clean and powerful. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci tutorials.